heading to PetSmart to get a pet. Joe, which pet are you gonna get?
Clifford the big red dog.
You think they have Clifford the big red dog in there?
Yes, I think so.
You're silly.
Fishy.
Yeah.
Swim. Go, go, go. Wait, no, wait.
Joe, they're so cute. Look at them. He went inside.
He went to his tunnel.
Yeah.
Who's going to go to that tunnel? Hamsters. They'll go to. Oh, there's no cute.
He's so cute, Joe.
Wait, why is he doing that?
What's that? Like a plastic bone? A toy. Okay, put it back, Joe, please. Are you gonna get a dog?
Whoa, look at this one. It's like a serve, like, oh.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, Joe, look at these.
Bird.
Yeah.
Oh, this one was Ellie had, and that one.
Yeah. They're cutie.
They're cute. Oh my gosh, one though, like, oh, they're flying at Ellie.
Yeah.
Oh, one they're in there.
Yeah. You have some down here too, yeah.
They have. Oh yeah.
Oh, more birds around here.
And what? Wait, what's this?
What?
Is this for birds?
Yeah.
Look at it.
These are all birds.
You can't touch it.
Yeah. No, don't knock on it.
Or the birds might fly everywhere.
Yeah. Those are like maybe for food for them. Bird treats, actually. It's called bird treats, okay. Spray millet, okay. What are those? More bird food.
Oh, mommy!
Huh?
These are for, like,
To decorate the birdhouse?
to decorate the birdhouse.
Look at that one, it's so cute.
Which
It's
one?
swinging, that one, yeah.
The one?
Mm-hmm.
You mean the guy? That's a big circle. The purple circle?
Yeah. These ones go in the birdhouse too. Oh, this is cute.
A jingle bell? I'm
Oh,
going
yeah.
to buy that.
Yeah? Okay.
You have to buy it. Oh, I think this one. This one should.
What's that one?
It's like. I like these. I like this one.
Oh, yeah?
I'm gonna make these like. This is gonna be TikTok.
Oh, yeah, TikTok.
And that's gonna be. No, this is gonna be Tussy Games.
Oh, yeah?
And this is gonna be Pepsi.
Okay.
A regular budgie seed.
Mm-hmm.
You've got a 6-pound bag and a 3-pound bag. So, I mean, they're gonna like.
Are you excited for your first pet?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you bought that one for the cage. Let's see it. This one, they can play with it, right?
Yeah.
Hold it.
Maybe it'll be.
So we are going to get this cage here. It's big enough for two.
And then the birds will sleep.
Yeah, it's big enough for two birds. And we got this one here is just to keep the birds' beaks in shape. Hold it, Joe. We got some bird food for budgies. And we got some treats for them. In this cage comes with like a swing and like a water and a food container. So we're good. Which one would be ours? That's our bird.
Get away, guys. Get away. Now.
What are you gonna name your bird?
Tussy Game.
What is that?
Very much.
Oh, what is Tussy Game?
That means like my bird's like Tussy.
Okay. So Joe just got his bird. He's super excited. We're gonna go home now and set it up, right, Joe?
Yeah.
Okay. We're almost home and Jojo is like so excited. Can't wait.
Mommy.
Let's go. Yeah. Biggie, are you helping to put the bird cage together? Yeah.
I want to put the bird cage together.
Oh, yeah.
Mommy, I did this.
Yeah.
How is your possible? Mommy,
Yeah.
I did this.
Yeah.
Mommy, I did this.
Okay, the cage is coming along, right, Joe?
Yeah.
We're almost there.
This is
is like a treat for him. You put it
No.
inside.
Let's have some freedom.
Yes, put it all the way down. See, you put it in. Let's see it. That's gonna be his treat. Okay, our bird cage is ready. Okay. So Joe, what you need to do is to go wash your hands, because every time you touch the bird, you have to wash your hands. Wash your hands and come put your bird in. Okay, so we have our bird in here.
Be quiet. Oh, the bird is done. She's on it. You let it.
So Joe, I want you to reach your hand down. Don't squeeze him. Reach your hand in and take the bird out.
No, I can't. Take him out.
Okay.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him.
Okay. Hold it. Pause, Daddy. And so now I'm gonna reach in.
Mommy, I can do this. Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's picking me! Oh my God! He bit me! Oh my God! Okay, so what are you gonna name him, Joe?
I'm Among Us. How dare you? How dare you?
Okay, so here's our birdie. So Joe, what are you gonna name your bird?
Among Us.
Among Us. What kind of name is that? Mickey? Go see the bird, Mickey. Oh, he's so cute. And we love this bird because he has the Jamaica color. He has yellow, he has black, and he has green. Hi.
Hi.
So what's his name, Joe? Among Us?
Yeah.
Oh, Joe, can you come up with a better name?
Huh?
Can you come up with a better
I'm
name?
just gonna call it Bird.
Bird?
Because he's just a bird.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Okay, so that's our first pet. Woohoo. Hello, Birdie.
Hello, Birdie. Birdie can bite.
Oh, yeah.
It can, like, oof you.
Oh, it sure
Don't
does.
do that, Eric. It's moving. It's moving.
Okay, we're going to think about the name Among Us.